In this tutorial, I will show you how to install CapCut from CapCut website. Let's start. Click on Google Chrome. In the search box, write down CapCut.com and hit enter. This will open the CapCut website. I will give the link of this site into description box. This is a free all-in-one video editor for every person. This is the privacy policy. This one for edit video online. You can download CapCut for Windows from here. You need to sign up if you don't install CapCut before. You can sign in from here. Click on here to download CapCut for Windows. On the top corner you will see CapCut downloading started. Wait patiently. CapCut download completed. Click on folder. Open it. This window comes now. Check this box, it says agree with CapCut user license. Click on it. CapCut installation is starting. Click on Start Now. Environmental testing. This message appears into screen, says that your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Click on Confirm. Go to top right corner to sign in. You need to click here to sign in. Click here. Sign in with Google. Thanks for watching.